Hello children, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a sound that we'll find at the end of words. It's a word-ending sound. Are you ready? Shen, 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 shen. Let me show you a picture. This circus conductor is saying, "Attention! It's a celebration!" Shen, it's a celebration! Shen, it's a celebration! Shen, it's a celebration! Now, I have some words for you. This time, I'm going to say them in syllables. Yes, syllables. And you're going to say the words. Ready? Attention. Attention. Conversation. Conversation. Celebration. Celebration. Exploration. Exploration. Congratulations! Well done! Now let's take a look at our speed sound charts. Shin has a sh sound in the beginning. The sh we're going to use today is this one. Sh. So we have sh, on, shon. We need to tweak the o sound, okay? So when on comes after the sh sound, we say shin, shin, shin. Shin, shin, it's a celebration. Shin, 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 it's a celebration. Well done! You sounded just like the circus conductor. Well done! It's time for another game. I'm now going to show you some sounds that you already know. Your mission is to say them as fast as you can. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a little bit louder. Ready to go? Off we go! Good job for spotting the shin sound. You were really paying attention. Well done. So today we have learned the sh sound, and when it's followed by on, we need to tweak it and it becomes shin, shin. Jolly good. It's time for me to go, but I know we'll meet again next time. Goodbye, children. Take care.